We're in the midst of a snowstorm, folks. It is bad out here. We got a lot of snow, as you can tell. We got more snow this year we've had for years. The poor motorhome is loaded up with snow. We're supposed to be heading out at the end of the month with that, into February, to North Carolina. And we're stuck here in Vermont with a snowstorm. Neighbors over there snow blowing. We're all snow blowing today. We're deep, stuck in the deep south. In the deep south, in the deep north. Okay folks, that's all I want to say today. Watch my other video, snow blowing. Snowblower was working. I'm snow blowing today. It's a snow blowing day. Gotta move the truck. Gotta snow blow that. Jesus, we got snow blow everywhere. Folks, I don't know what to do about all this. Well, we're gonna have to see what we can do. There's Gabby girls. She's been in the tractor, sleeping. She's just a puppy. There's little Gabby girls. She loves it. I already shoveled this once, and it's right back up full. It's a storm of February 13th, 2019. Boy, and let me tell you, we got some snow. Folks, we got some snow today. I shoveled out the porch and it's all right back snow again. We got about a foot of snow, maybe a little more. We got a lot of snow. The Coyote 4510 is doing good with snow blower. Fenders are all broke up from plastic. Tripped and fell, hit myself, hit my head on it, and broke the plastic. Plastic fenders, folks. That's what we gotta look forward to. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Give me some feedback, tell me how you like it. Thanks a lot, folks. Louie out.